Oh, I saw your question in the email. Use a sine function to find A. I guess we want to be in degrees, round to nearest tenth. They give you two pieces of information. Little a, which means length of side A is 28 centimeters, and little c, lowercase c, length side hypotenuse is 47. So I labeled those two. This is A here, this length of the side is 28 centimeters. This lowercase c, length of it's 47. You want to find this angle here, A. Well, the rule is sine of A equals opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite relative to this angle will be 28, and hypotenuse, is 47. It's always opposite the right angle. So sine of A is 28 over 47. Then I think, a little bit, one of the earlier videos, get A by itself. It's inverse sine of 28 over 47. And I'll let you put that in the calculator. Hope that helps.